In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get free courses on Udemy, free paid courses on Udemy, and how you can make money from them. So I hope most of you people would be aware of Udemy, and if some of you don't know what Udemy is, so let me tell you. Udemy is an online learning platform where you can find multiple courses. For example, if we go into the development section, these are list of courses that you can get there. For example, we check the graphic design course. So here are these courses for the graphics designing, and as you can see, all of these courses are paid. $129 and $179 for bestseller. All of these courses are paid, but I'm going to show you how you can get these courses for free and watch these courses and how you can make money from them. So to get these courses for free, you need to go to real.discount website, www.real.discount. In this website you can find free 100% free coupons for Udemy and several other platforms like Coursera, Linda, EDX, YouTube, Amazon. You can find multiple courses from different platforms. So for now we are targeting the Udemy. Okay, so as you can see, okay, if you check this course, this is the complete video production marketing and YouTube mastery course. So if you are aware of the YouTube, so you should know that you can make money from YouTube. YouTube is an earning platform. So if you want to make money from YouTube, you can check out this course. But the issue is you don't have money to pay for this course. For uh, for you, this is the best opportunity. You need to get the free coupon on this site for this course, and then you can learn how to become a YouTube master, and you can start making money. Okay, so to get this course for free, what I need to do is to click here. Okay, here it is. This course original worth is $199.99, but we are going to get it for $0. So let's get the coupon for this. Okay. As you can see, that this is 100% off for us, and only one day is left at this price with this coupon. So let's enroll now. Okay. Okay, so I have bought this course and I can now watch this course for free. Uh, and the worth of this course is going to be 100% again tomorrow. So thanks to the real dot discount website by which I have got this course for free. So this is one type of item. Um, this is how you can make money on YouTube by learning on Udemy. But there are several other skills you can learn from here. If we go on to the editor's choice, you can see there are a lot of tons of courses for free. If you check out this, learn digital marketing for beginners, and machine learning, and there are a lot of courses for you for free. Or you can check here via category. uh, for example, if you are a designer, or if you want to learn design, uh, you can learn the art. You can learn how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva, and then you can offer these services on Fiverr. Let me go to Fiverr and show you. Okay. Let's search here YouTube thumbnail. I will design an amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours. I will draw an amazing illustrated YouTube thumbnail. So all of these people are giving YouTube thumbnail services. So what you can do is you can go to real.discount website, and you can find any course that is teaching you YouTube thumbnail. Just get this course here, get this coupon. Okay, it is 100% off. So you don't need to pay even a single penny for this. Enroll now. And yes, we have got this course in our uh, profile, in our Udemy account. So So what you need to do next is you need to learn how you can learn with this course how you can design amazing YouTube thumbnails, and then start giving services on Fiverr. So this is how you can make money on Fiverr by learning on Udemy. So I hope you like the video. I hope you like the idea of making money. So if you really like this idea, do like the video at your and if you have any comments, if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.